Space, the final frontier. These words still stir our souls, igniting a primal curiosity about the vast unknown that lies beyond our world. Today that curiosity is more alive than ever, fueled by groundbreaking advancements in space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Rocket Lab are leading the charge, pushing the boundaries of technology and daring to dream bigger than ever before. SpaceX, with its sights set on Mars and beyond, is developing Starship, a spacecraft designed to ferry humans to other planets. Meanwhile, Rocket Lab is preparing for a mission to Venus, a planet often called Earth's twin but shrouded in mystery. These endeavors mark a new era in space exploration, one driven by innovation and a relentless pursuit of discovery. The quest to explore space is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's a testament to the human spirit, our innate desire to push beyond the familiar and venture into the unknown. It's about unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos and searching for answers to some of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? What else is out there? These questions drive us forward, fueling our imagination and inspiring generations to come. At the forefront of this new space race is SpaceX, a company synonymous with pushing the envelope of what's possible. Their ambition knows no bounds, fueled by Elon Musk's vision of making humanity a multi-planetary species. Central to this vision is Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. Starship is not just an incremental step forward in spacecraft design, it represents a paradigm shift. Imagine a spacecraft capable of carrying 100 people to Mars and returning to Earth, ready to be refueled and flown again. This is the promise of Starship, a spacecraft designed for reusability, dramatically reducing the cost of space travel and opening up a world of possibilities. But Starship's capabilities extend far beyond Mars. This versatile spacecraft is envisioned as a workhorse for various missions, from deploying satellites to lunar landings and even point-to-point travel on Earth. Imagine hopping on a Starship and traveling from New York to Tokyo in under an hour. This is the future SpaceX envisions, a future where space travel is as commonplace as air travel is today. Building a spacecraft as powerful as Starship comes with unique challenges, one of which is managing the immense heat and forces generated during launch and landing. This is where the Starship flame trench comes in, a testament to SpaceX's innovative engineering. Imagine a massive concrete structure designed to deflect the scorching exhaust plume of Starship's Raptor engines. This is the flame trench, a crucial piece of infrastructure at SpaceX's Starbase launch site in Texas. During launch and landing, the flame trench channels the fiery exhaust away from the spacecraft and surrounding infrastructure, protecting them from temperatures that can melt steel. The construction of the flame trench itself was no easy feat. It involved pouring thousands of cubic yards of concrete, reinforced with steel and designed to withstand the extreme conditions of a Starship launch. The trench is equipped with a sophisticated water deluge system that cools the structure and helps to suppress the sound waves generated during engine ignition. This marvel of engineering is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Section 4, Venus beckons Rocket Lab's daring mission. While SpaceX aims for Mars, Rocket Lab, another prominent player in the private space industry, has set its sights on a different target: Venus. This scorching hot planet, often called Earth's evil twin, poses unique challenges and opportunities for exploration. Rocket Lab's mission to Venus is a testament to the company's agility and ambition to explore our solar system's diverse worlds. Venus is a planet of extremes. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, resulting in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Despite these harsh conditions, scientists believe that Venus may hold clues to understanding the evolution of rocky planets like Earth and the potential for life in extreme environments. Rocket Lab's mission plans to send a small, highly capable spacecraft to Venus's atmosphere. This mission will study the planet's thick clouds, searching for signs of life, and analyzing the chemical composition of its atmosphere. The data gathered will be invaluable in unraveling the mysteries of this enigmatic world and providing insights into the evolution of planetary atmospheres. Section 5, Mysteries of Mars moons Phobos and Deimos. Mars, with its dusty red surface and the promise of past life, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. But did you know that Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, each holding its own set of mysteries? These celestial bodies have recently become the focus of renewed scientific interest, with missions being planned to unravel their secrets. Phobos and Deimos, named after the Greek gods of fear and panic, are stark contrasts to our own moon. They are much smaller, irregularly shaped and bear the scars of a violent past, possibly remnants of a larger object shattered by an impact. Several missions are currently being planned to study Phobos and Deimos up close. These missions aim to determine the moon's composition, map their surfaces in high resolution, and search for signs of water ice. The data collected will be crucial in understanding the formation of these enigmatic moons and their connection to the history of Mars itself. Section 6. Echoes of the Past, a Legacy of Exploration. The current surge in space exploration is not a standalone phenomenon. It's the latest chapter in a long and illustrious history of human endeavor. From the earliest astronomers who charted the stars to the Apollo missions that landed humans on the moon, each generation has built upon the knowledge and achievements of those who came before. The spirit of exploration that drove those early pioneers is alive and well today, but the tools and technologies at our disposal have evolved dramatically. We now have powerful rockets capable of carrying heavier payloads, sophisticated robotic explorers that can withstand the harshest environments, and advanced telescopes that allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The lessons learned from past missions, both successes and failures, have paved the way for the current generation of explorers. The challenges they faced, the risks they took, and the discoveries they made serve as a constant source of inspiration, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the unknown are deeply ingrained in our nature. Section 7. A Universe of Possibilities, the Future of Space Exploration. As we stand at the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities seem endless. With companies like SpaceX and Rocket Lab pushing the boundaries of technology and international collaborations becoming increasingly common, the dream of humans becoming a multiplanetary species no longer seems like science fiction. Imagine a future where we have permanent settlements on the Moon and Mars, where asteroid mining provides us with valuable resources, and where telescopes orbiting distant planets beam back images of alien worlds. This is the future that space exploration is building towards, a future limited only by our imagination. But the true impact of space exploration extends far beyond the technological advancements it brings about. It inspires us to dream bigger, to push the limits of human ingenuity, and to work together to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, and that our curiosity and thirst for knowledge are forces capable of propelling us towards a brighter future. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of generations past, and the potential to inspire generations to come. The journey has just begun, and the universe awaits.